Hi, I'm Port of Seattle Commission Vice President Toshiko Hasegawa, and I'm excited to announce the latest step in the Port of Seattle's land stewardship and management practices specific to SCA Airport. The Port of Seattle is committed to becoming the greenest port in North America, which means having a land stewardship approach that enhances the region by protecting trees, wetlands, and wildlife habitats. We recognize that land stewardship must work in tandem with the vital role the port plays in our region. The SCA Airport Land Stewardship Plan and tree replacement standards were developed with valuable feedback and engagement from our local community members. I'd also like to thank my fellow commissioners for their support of this important work as we move forward. These strategies build upon a long history of land stewardship practices at the port, including habitat restoration and enhancements for 177 acres of wetlands and buffers around SCA Airport, and 60 acres of wetlands near Auburn, as well as the planting of 145,000 trees and shrubs in the last 5 years alone. In July 2023, the Port adopted land stewardship principles to guide our management practices. The 5 key principles included taking a comprehensive approach to environmental land stewardship, maximizing opportunities to increase trees and other habitats, applying an equity and environmental justice lens, supporting and investing in community partnerships, and using a holistic approach to ensure healthy and self-sustaining natural resources. In April 2024, we passed the SCA Airport Land Stewardship Plan. This plan outlines an approach and recommends actions for port-owned and operated lands around the airport. It ensures we integrate and balance environmental land stewardship with airport operations, planning, and development. We also passed the SCA Airport Tree Replacement Standards, which mandates a holistic ecological approach when trees are removed under the port's jurisdiction. For any tree removed, we will take actions to restore or preserve the health of land, including by planting new trees, removing invasive species, and restoring urban forests. Based upon what we heard from communities near the airport, we know that supporting a healthy tree canopy is the priority. This plan and the tree standards help us do that, while also ensuring safe operations in line with federal regulations. We will also maintain an inventory that allows us to track areas that have the greatest ecological and community equity attributes. These sites are prioritized for land stewardship actions. Community equity criteria include the port's recently developed Equity Index, urban heat island effects, and sites that are visually or physically accessible to the public. These strategies don't apply to areas in city jurisdictions that have their own tree replacement standards or properties under leases, like North SeaTac Park, which is under lease with the city of SeaTac. Whether it's hosting a community stewardship and planting event, investing in community organizations that make our region more sustainable, or the environmental work done day after day by the port employees, we know that land stewardship is an ongoing job and one that must be handled with consideration and great care. The Port of Seattle is committed to transparency, continuous improvement, and community engagement. By adopting the land stewardship principles, plan, and tree replacement standards, we are working to create a more sustainable and equitable future for all.